What if I told you that January could be the turning point for your financial future? With just 7 tokens, you might have the opportunity to achieve the life-changing success you've been dreaming of. Here's why this month is so critical. Regulatory clarity is finally taking shape, and key figures like SEC Chair Paul Atkins are paving the way for innovation and growth in the crypto space. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are dominating the headlines, but the spotlight is also shifting to XRP and Solana ETFs, making crypto more accessible than ever. Meanwhile, Trump's proposal for a national Bitcoin reserve could redefine U.S. financial power, with bipartisan support growing rapidly. This is shaping up to be one of the most important moments in crypto history, and the time to act is now. Stay with me through this video as we break down the 7 tokens that could make you a millionaire. Don't miss your chance. January is your golden opportunity. Enough talking? Let's join CryptoHunt and get straight into the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Kaspa, KS, is a next-generation blockchain project designed to make transactions super fast and scalable. It's perfect for real-time payments and modern applications, making it stand out in the crypto world. With a current market cap of $3 billion and ranking hash 46, Kaspa is becoming increasingly popular among investors and developers. What makes Kaspa unique is its Ghost DAG protocol, which allows blocks to be created almost every second without compromising security. Unlike traditional blockchains, this technology ensures fast and reliable transactions, reducing the risk of delays or errors. Kaspa's focus on decentralization means there's no central authority, which gives it strong protection against attacks and ensures fairness across the network. In the real world, Kaspa is used for secure payments, instant e-commerce transactions, and decentralized apps. It's also supported by a growing community of miners and developers who trust its potential. As the network grows, more use cases and opportunities are expected to emerge, especially in areas requiring speed and scalability. With its circulating supply at 25.44 billion coins, Kaspa's market cap shows a healthy balance between supply and demand. Analysts predict that in the next bull market, Kaspa could grow up to 5x, potentially reaching a $15 billion market cap. For those interested in investing, Kaspa offers an exciting opportunity. However, it's always smart to manage risks, invest gradually, and do your research. With its solid technology and strong market presence, Kaspa could be a game changer in the blockchain space. Injective Protocol, INJ, is a groundbreaking blockchain project focused on decentralized finance, DeFi, and enabling seamless trading with low fees. As one of the top 60 cryptocurrencies by market cap, Injective provides tools for building decentralized applications, dApps, and tackling issues like front-running on decentralized exchanges, ensuring fair trading for everyone. What sets Injective apart is its frequent batch auctions and Cosmos SDK integration, which eliminate bot activities and enable fast cross-chain transactions. These technologies make it a standout platform for developers and traders alike. Injective's native token, INJ, powers the ecosystem by supporting staking, governance, and securing the network. It has strong backing from investors like Binance and is part of an extensive DeFi ecosystem with hundreds of projects. With a market cap of $2.05 billion and a circulating supply of 98.97 million tokens, INJ has a favorable ratio, leaving room for growth. Analysts predict INJ's market cap could increase to $8 billion in the next bull market, potentially offering a 3 to 4x return. For investors, Injective Protocol offers significant potential, but as always, consider gradual investments and stay informed about market risks for a balanced strategy. Imagine a cryptocurrency that makes every transaction completely private, secure, and anonymous. Beam is revolutionizing blockchain technology with its focus on confidentiality and scalability, making it a standout in today's crowded crypto market. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built for secure, anonymous transactions worldwide. Ranked among the top 80 cryptocurrencies by market cap, Beam is gaining attention for its strong commitment to privacy and its innovative solutions for decentralized finance, DeFi. One of Beam's most impressive features is its Mimblewimble protocol, a cutting-edge technology that keeps all transaction data confidential while maintaining a lightweight blockchain. This ensures faster transaction speeds and higher efficiency compared to many other blockchains, making it ideal for both individuals and businesses looking for secure solutions. Beam's use cases extend beyond private transactions. It powers confidential DeFi applications and offers secure business solutions, catering to a growing demand for privacy in the digital age. The project is supported by a strong community and a dedicated team of developers, ensuring continuous innovation. With a current market cap of $1.33 billion and a circulating supply of 49.46 billion tokens, Beam strikes a balance between supply and demand, providing a strong foundation for future growth. Analysts suggest Beam has the potential to grow 5 to 10x in the next bull market, especially as privacy becomes a key focus in the blockchain world. For investors, Beam is a promising project with significant upside. However, as always, invest carefully, diversify your portfolio, and monitor the market to manage risks effectively. Do you own any coins that will make you a millionaire in the future? What is the reason you invest? Please comment below so that I and everyone can learn from you. Ondo is redefining the tokenization of assets by bringing income-generating assets like bonds and funds into the crypto space. As one of the top 61 cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.04 billion, Ondo is gaining traction in the realm of real-world asset, RWA, tokenization. It provides an innovative way to merge the reliability of traditional finance with the transparency, speed, and accessibility of blockchain. What makes Ondo unique is its autonomous protocol approach, ensuring decentralized operations with no need for human intervention after deployment. This offers true decentralization, along with partnerships with financial giants like BlackRock and JP Morgan, which further solidify its credibility. Ondo allows users to access stable, income-generating investments on the blockchain, making it a powerful tool for both institutions and individuals. The project caters to a growing demand for secure and transparent financial solutions. With a circulating supply of 1.38 billion tokens out of a total supply of 10 billion, Ondo shows a promising supply-to-market cap ratio, leaving room for significant growth. Analysts predict Ondo's market cap could reach $7 billion in the next bull run, offering the potential for 3 to 5x returns. For investors looking to enter the tokenization market, Ondo is a solid choice. As always, manage your risks, diversify your portfolio, and stay updated on market developments to make informed decisions. Before continuing with this topic, I want to emphasize the importance of staying informed about market information and avoiding scams in the cryptocurrency market. Join my free CryptoHunt Telegram group for up-to-date information, videos, market conditions, and to not miss out on the latest $0 airdrop opportunity that I'll be updating exclusively on my Telegram channel that no one else is talking about. Now, let's get back to the video. Pendle is doing just that by enabling users to tokenize and trade future yield, revolutionizing how income is generated from DeFi assets. As one of the top 110 cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $864.76 million, Pendle is gaining traction for its innovative approach in the DeFi space. By tokenizing future yield, Pendle creates new investment opportunities for users seeking to maximize returns. Pendle's standout feature is its yield tokenization, which allows investors to buy and sell tokenized yield from liquidity pools or lending protocols. This flexibility empowers users to optimize their investment strategies based on risk tolerance and goals. Staking Pendle tokens also provides rewards, adding another layer of income for long-term holders. Pendle's use cases are vast, from yield optimization to flexible trading strategies, making it a go-to platform for advanced DeFi users. It has attracted a growing community and partners within the DeFi ecosystem, further solidifying its presence. With a circulating supply of 162.51 million tokens out of a total supply of 258.44 million, Pendle demonstrates a healthy supply-to-market cap ratio. Compared to Ondo, another DeFi-focused project with a $2 billion market cap, Pendle offers a more affordable entry point for investors while still showcasing strong growth potential. Analysts predict Pendle could see a 5 to 7x increase in the next bull market, potentially pushing its market cap to over $4 billion. For those looking to invest, Pendle is a promising project with innovative solutions. As always, consider diversifying your investments and managing risks to make informed decisions. Bittensor, TO, is transforming the AI and blockchain space by creating a decentralized network for machine learning models to collaborate like neurons in a brain. As a top 40 cryptocurrency with a market cap of $3.46 billion, Bittensor is gaining recognition for its unique approach to decentralized AI. This project enables machine learning models from around the world to work together, fostering innovation in AI development. One of Bittensor's standout features is its TAO token, which rewards contributors who provide computational resources for training AI models. The platform also integrates democratic governance, where token holders can vote on key decisions, ensuring community-driven development. Bittensor's use cases include creating AI-powered applications, advancing research in decentralized machine learning, and enabling fair rewards for contributors. With strong backing from Grayscale and a growing ecosystem, the project is becoming a cornerstone of AI and blockchain. With a total supply of 7.38 million tokens and a high price point of $469.16, Bittensor has a unique value proposition compared to similar AI-focused projects like Fetch.ai. While Fetch.ai focuses on AI-powered automation, Bittensor stands out by decentralizing the machine learning process itself. Analysts predict that TAO could achieve a market cap of $10 billion in the next bull run, offering significant growth potential for investors. Don't miss your chance to be part of the future of AI and blockchain. Bittensor is leading the way. Always remember to invest wisely and consider diversifying your portfolio. Jupiter, GUP, is revolutionizing cross-chain interoperability, connecting users to decentralized platforms effortlessly. Ranked among the top 90 cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.11 billion, Jupiter is making waves in the decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem. Its mission is to eliminate the barriers between blockchains, offering seamless trading and liquidity access. Jupiter's standout feature is its cross-chain liquidity aggregator, which ensures users get the best rates for their trades across multiple networks. This feature sets JUP apart, making it an essential tool for DeFi enthusiasts looking to optimize their transactions. The JUP token is used for transaction fees, governance, and rewarding liquidity providers. It has already attracted a solid community and is integrated with Solana for fast, low-cost transactions, positioning itself as a leader in scalability and efficiency. With a circulating supply of 1.35 billion JUP out of 10 billion, Jupiter showcases a favorable supply ratio. When compared to other DeFi projects like Pendle, Jupiter offers a more scalable solution with a similar market cap, making it a strong competitor. Analysts predict Jupiter could reach a $4 to $5 billion market cap in the next bull run, offering 3 to 4x growth potential. Join the future of cross-chain trading with Jupiter. Always research thoroughly and diversify your portfolio to manage risks effectively. For investors, building a diversified investment portfolio is crucial. Simultaneously, maintaining investment psychology by not panicking during market fluctuations is important. Capital management is also critical, as investments should align with financial capabilities and specific investment goals. Profits and losses are inevitable in financial investments. However, investing time and belief in ourselves is always a gain. If you find this video helpful, you might also want to watch this one to better understand the market and what is worth investing your time. Now, catch you on the next video.